history in the making. For the first time in Cebu, where all musicians unite as one for a better cause. Sugboanong Musikero Incorporated, together with Salanga Cebu, Mitch Photography, and Powerlink, presents
Pasiawit Paskuhanong Dali, an early Christmas special free concert filled with laughter and top of the charts local singles, the controversial Ayaw Pagsaad. Ayaw Pagsaad by Jerlyn and Paul. Pasabta Ko by Lila. Ikaw Rajud by Paul and Nash. Senior Citizen by Aggressive Audio. Dili Tanan by Romel Trico.
Smells like Urban Max is back.
Biligit by PG-18. The Music Nuts. Renaissance Band. Friends na Lang by Constipation Band. Cebu's Promising Star Golden Roma Mea Pop. Nine Love Na Siguro Ko by Jeremy. My Favorite DJ and many more. With special guest performances by Vina Morales, Chad Borja, Gabriel Marie Singson, J.R. Shabok, Max Urban, Crazy Duo, Dos Compañeros, Tawag ng Tanghalan Superstar Christopher Mendres, The Voice Kids finalist Jelia Vergara, Cebu Singing Clergy, and Father Jonas Mijares at the SM Seaside City Wing Cebu on Saturday, the 2nd of December 2017. Your host, MC Zack. Event starts at 4 p.m. sharp. Mark your calendar and spread the word. Pasiawit Paskuhanong Dali. This fundraising concert is made possible by SMI Production.